Every day in Ohio and across the country, thousands of drivers experience the shock and aftermath of an auto collision. As the rush of adrenaline fades, it's easy to fall into certain pitfalls that could jeopardize your rights and potential claims. But before we delve into that, consider this. What if there were some simple steps you could take immediately after an accident that could save you not just money, but also time, stress, and heartache? Here they are, the top 5 mistakes to avoid after an auto collision. First, not reporting the accident. Always report the accident, regardless of its severity. Without a police report, establishing fault or claiming insurance can become incredibly challenging down the road. Second, failing to document everything. In today's digital age, your phone is your best friend. Snap photos of the accident scene, vehicle damages, injuries, and even nearby road signs or traffic lights. The third common mistake to avoid: admitting fault prematurely. Human nature might compel you to apologize or admit fault, especially if you believe you were responsible. However, the nuances of auto collisions mean that true fault might not be immediately evident. Hold off on any admissions and let the professionals investigate. Fourth mistake to avoid: ignoring medical evaluation. Even if you walk away feeling alright, don't neglect a medical check. Hidden injuries like whiplash can present symptoms days or even weeks later. It's crucial for your health and any potential compensation to get examined promptly. Finally, and most importantly, negotiating with insurance alone. Insurance companies, while necessary, often work with their bottom line in mind. Before you accept any offers or make any statements, consider seeking advice. An informed decision can make all the difference in your claim. Navigating the aftermath of an auto collision can be daunting, but armed with this knowledge, you're better equipped to protect your interests and rights. At Ryan LLP, we have experience investigating and pursuing auto collision cases. We work diligently to ensure that your potential case and lawsuit are handled effectively and compassionately, providing you with the support you need during this difficult time. Our goal is to help you achieve some measure of justice and peace during this challenging time. If you or someone you know needs help navigating an auto collision claim, please reach out to us. Our team is ready to listen and support you. We're Ryan LLP, and we're here for you.